Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing these beautiful butterfly nails. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So if you haven't seen this trend, you can find it as butterfly wing nails or fairy wing nails on Instagram, and you can see a lot of photos and tutorials and reels that are gonna show you how to do it. There are many different ways to achieve this look, so in this video I'm just gonna show you how I did it and how I mess it up as well, so you don't make the same mistake. So I'm gonna start by applying my base color. This is called Insomniac by Mooncat. It's a very soft lilac. You can use any color that you like as a base. You can use holographic, metallic, shimmers, whatever you like, and try to apply always 2 coats just to make sure that the surface is super smooth before applying the powder. So now you have to let it dry for a couple of minutes, but it doesn't have to be too dry. So you have to be able to see a fingerprint on your polish, but not smudging or not any polish on your finger. And then I'm gonna apply the WhatsApp Nails Aurora pigment. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit with my finger and I'm just gonna tap it and then rub it onto my nail very carefully. Don't press down because you can smudge your polish underneath, so try to be very gentle. You can use a silicone tool as well or a sponge, but in my experience you can apply a lot of pressure with those, so you're still gonna smudge the polish underneath because it's not completely dry. So in my opinion, your finger is like the best tool that you can use to apply the chrome powder onto your nails. So make sure that you cover the whole surface, and then with a brush you can just remove all the excess of the powder from your fingers. I use a paper towel underneath because it is very difficult to remove if it gets on your desk or in other materials that you may have. Even in the silicone mat, I found that it was a bit difficult to remove. So you can just take the paper towel and throw it away. So this is how it looks in the close-up. You can see that there's a little particles that are darker and they're a little bit bigger than the powder. So here's a comparison with the other hand that I already made before, and the color is super different because I made a mistake and I used the wrong top coat, so it took away all the shine and all the mirror-like effect of the powder. So now for the butterfly pattern, I'm just gonna stamp it with this plate. This is WhatsApp Nails B025, and I've seen on social media that people are drawing this directly to their nails with a very small brush, and that requires a lot of skills. And honestly, I think it's not very realistic for the majority of us. So I think stamping it's great for this purpose, especially when you consider that you're gonna have this design on both of your hands. So at some points you will have to draw with your non-dominant hand, which is probably not gonna be a good result. So now I'm just gonna put some dots on the black part just to give the impression that it's a butterfly. You can still feel the other holes that are here on the pattern, but I thought they will be too big, so I just added a few little ones. Now for the top coat, this is the interesting part. So if you work with crumbs before, you know that top coats can really mess up the whole look of crumbs. So in this hand, I applied the Moyu London smudge free top coat, and on the other hand I have the Apipila top coat, but I realized that they look very shimmery, and this top coat just make things worse. So you can see here that it looks a lot shimmery and it lost a lot of the mirror-like chrome. So this is how it looks under sunlight. You can see the colors. There's a little bit of purple, pink, a little bit of turquoise. It's really pretty, and it looks great. Then with flashlight you could see that there's more shimmer, a little bit of glitter. Even though the color changing, it's still there, so I think it still looks beautiful. And this is with indirect light, so you have some tones of green, a little bit more gray or kind of yellow. They have a lot of undertones too, even pinks. I really like it. I don't regret it, but here's a sneak peek of the video that's coming, and I'm gonna test a lot of top coats and show you how to get a really prom effect with regular polish. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.